Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to stop screen from turning off in your iPhone. To prevent your screen from turning off, at first go to settings. Now scroll down to display and brightness. Here in this section scroll down again till you see auto lock. Tap that, and here by default you have 1 minute here. To change and prevent your screen, set it to never. And it's that easy. Actually, you don't have to do anything more. Now we can leave our phone until, of course, it dies from the battery. But yes, our phone won't turn off. Our screen won't be turned off. And that's it. It's that easy. Goodbye.